Installing the OS using the default option is to use the Noobs installer and going ahead with the standard installation using the monitor, keyboard and mouse, which is easy to perform and anybody does. Let us have a look at another scenario when you don't have dedicated monitor, keyboard or mouse and you want to go ahead with the installation process. And after the installation, you just want to use it like Arduino, where you just deploy the program and it becomes self-functioning. Before going ahead with this, let us have a look at the hardware requirements. Raspberry Pi Zero wireless, micro USB cable, micro SD card, minimum capacity 8 GB class 10, micro SD card adapter or USB card reader, Windows, desktop or laptop. Google for Raspberry Pi and visit the official website. Click on the download section and then select Raspbian in the next page. Under Raspbian, you will find two options, Raspbian Stretch with desktop and Raspbian Stretch Lite. Please note that the desktop version is for anyone who wants to explore the full graphical user interface of the Raspbian operating system, whereas the Stretch Lite is for anyone who wants the minimum installation with the command line interface. Here, we will be using the Raspbian Stretch with desktop. Just click on the download GIF and the OS will start downloading immediately. Once the download is over, the file size of the OS in zip format will be 1 GB and above. Just right click and choose extract here. As you can see that it shows the error archive is corrupted. But that is not the case here. This simply means that the WinZip is not compatible with the particular WinRAR zip file. In order to fix this issue, Google for 7-zip and visit the official website. Choose the version as per your OS and then click on download. Once the download is over, install the software. After the installation, right click again on the WinZip file. Choose 7-zip from the menu and then select extract here from the submenu. You will notice the file extraction starts immediately without any errors. After successful extraction, you will find a disk image file of size 4 GB and above. Now, our next objective is to burn this image file on the micro SD card. Google for Win32 disk imager and click on the first link. Then click on download and your software will start downloading in 5 seconds. Once the download is over, complete the installation by installing the software. In the application menu, after clicking on device drop-down list, if you can't see anything, this simply means that the micro SD card is not plugged into the PC. You can either insert the micro SD card to your PC via the SD card adapter, or you can also use an SD card reader. Once you connect the micro SD card to your PC, you will find a new disk drive. Sometimes the received disk is not properly formatted or might contain some additional files from your previous burning. In my case, you can see it shows the disk space of 41.6 MB, whereas in original it should show at least 14 GB because I am using 16 GB micro SD card. Hence, I strongly suggest formatting it using the right tool. Google for SD formatter and visit the official website sdcard.org. Choose your OS and then scroll down to the page to accept the license agreement. Click on accept and you are done. The software will start downloading. Once the download is over, proceed with the installation. After the application launches, you will see the SD card drive gets auto selected, and under the card information, you can see the exact size of the micro SD card. Under the formatting option, leave the default as quick format, and under the volume name, you can type the name you prefer for your SD card drive. Just click on format and start the operation. Please make sure you copy all the important files from the card to the system hard drive, because formatting will destroy all your existing data on the micro SD card. Just hit yes on the warning tab and the formatting will be done. As you can see here, after the format is over, the SD card shows the correct size. Now, let us go back to the image burning tool. From the device menu, please make sure you choose the drive to which micro SD card is attached. Now, click the blue folder icon to locate the image of the operating system. After choosing the OS path, just click on Write. Ignore the warning and hit Yes to proceed. Once the image burning completes, you will get a Write Successful message. Just hit OK and exit the application. You can cross-check the OS files and folders by visiting the drive to which the micro SD card is connected. Now don't eject the SD card, because in the next lecture I will show you how to configure the Wi-Fi on your Pi Zero wireless.